Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete emails in bulk on Gmail. First, you need to go to your Gmail account. As you can see, I have around 2,600 emails in my inbox, and it will take a long time to delete them together. Also, I have emails in other folders. So, go to your inbox, and here, if you try to select them individually, it will take a long time. So instead of doing this, just on this box on top, it will select all the conversations or emails from these folders. This is the easy way to delete a whole bunch of emails. Once you have selected all the emails, click on this trash icon or delete option. After a few seconds, all of the emails will be moved to the trash folder. If you want to recover any of these, just go to the trash folder. From here, you can recover the emails that you want. In this way, you can delete bulk emails from different folders. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.